Hey everyone, I'm Brady Volpe with the Volpe firm. If you've ever tried to install NanoVNA Saver on a Mac, you already know it's not exactly plug and play. NanoVNA Saver is a fantastic tool developed by Rune B. Broberg for working with NanoVNA devices. Huge kudos to Rune and his team for making such a versatile cross-platform application. But getting it compiled and running on macOS, especially macOS 15 and up, can be, well, let's say a bit of a headache. Compiling it yourself requires Python, pip dependencies, permissions, you name it. It's doable, but not something everyone wants to spend their weekend like I just did debugging Python packages when they just want to visualize some RF data. So to save you some time and possibly your sanity, I put together a pre-compiled DMG file for NanoVNA Saver for macOS. You can download it directly from our website at the Volpe firm. So just go to volpefirm.com. You can go over to the apps here and just scroll down. You'll see the downloaded macOS image here, and it's just your normal plug and play. I've already downloaded it here. We got the VNA Saver. You double click on that and it's gonna go through the normal process. Go ahead, drag that into your applications folder. I've already done that. I have that in the applications folder here. Actually, I didn't already do that here. And then when you double click on it, it's going to give you a warning because I have not signed this package. Hopefully I'll get around to doing that. But what you need to do is go into your system preferences here, go down to security and privacy and security. And when you see privacy and security, you want to make sure that it's set for App Store and known developers. So don't move it to trash, just click done. And after you do that, it's going to see NanoVNA Server app was blocked to protect your Mac. Go ahead and click Open Anyway. And once you do that, it'll say Open Anyway. Click Open Anyway, type in your password for your computer. And once you do that, you only have to do this the first time. There you go. NanoVNA is going to be up and running. Go ahead and connect it to your port, and you are good to go. So once you've done that, again, it's a one-time thing. That's it. You're up and running with NanoVNA Saver on your Mac without the frustration. I'll be keeping the DMG updated, and if Rune or the community makes any major changes, I'll reflect that here too. If this saved you some time, consider giving the video a thumbs up, greatly appreciated, and subscribing for more broadband and RF troubleshooting tips. I obviously use NanoVNA in all of my cable troubleshooting needs. I definitely needed to get this up and running because I have to measure some lengths of cable for some other things that I am working on. And don't forget to check out the rest of the resources at volpefirm.com. Thanks for watching and happy sweeping. So long.